Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let's note that the Ga Homowo will be for the whole week, but the carnival will start on the 6th, which is the Thursday. Sorry, the Homowo starts from the 6th, but the Ga Carnival, the Homowo Carnival starts from the 3rd, which is the Thursday, and that is called Ngowala. Most of us do not know. Sobi. Most of us do not know that it is part of the festival. On that day, that is where people from the various gas settlements carry foodstuffs from their various settlements, and then they bring it for the Homowo celebration. It is part of the culture, and it is a great procession where people from all the Ga villages carry their foodstuffs and they bring it to their traditional homes. It is called Subi. Because of the modern nature of our culture, these things are not seen. But we are going to enact it. So students from the Media Arts Department of GA schools, in collaboration with the Creative Arts Agency, will enact the Sobi tradition. We are going to carry foodstuffs and process through the streets of Accra. And it is very colorful, and we are really going to make it colorful. Then on the Friday is the White Friday, and that is for what we normally call Akwele Suma, but it is called Haji and Yele, and we call it Ye Ye Ye. This time we are demarcating the Accra High Street for all processions, and all the twins in the Greater Accra are going to process from the Lighthouse Junction to the the Bank of Ghana or Ghana Commercial Bank Junction or the Bank of Ghana Junction. And it is a beautiful thing. Now, as they process, we will have their sisi behind them. So all the twins are going to have their sisi behind them. The meaning of the sisi is that when they finish with all the rituals at home, they sweep everything and everything bad and puts it in a bowl. And then they carry it and go throw it away. And the procession will be part of the festival. The twins will be part of the festival, and that is on the White Friday. Ladies and gentlemen, on the Saturday of the main Homowo festival,